In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the World of Warcraft error BLZ51903003 or LC-202 while logging in. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So this will be a short tutorial, and basically all you need to do is click on the search bar, type cmd, now right click on the command prompt and click on run as administrator, click on yes, and now what you want to do is type ipconfig/release and click on enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and click on enter. And now type ipconfig/flushdns and click on enter again. And it should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Once you're done, you can close the command prompt and your problem should now be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.